how to change your name in Blood Strike game. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily update or change your in-game name smoothly in Blood Strike. So first of all, launch the Blood Strike game on your phone or your tablets or even your PC and wait until you reach the main lobby screen. Once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top left corner. You'll open up this personal info section where you'll see your current name at the top. Simply tap the pencil button right next to your name and then enter a new name. You'll need to spend your rename card in order to change your name. Once you are done entering the name, click confirm, and if you've got the rename card with you, you'll be able to change your name successfully. So that's it. That is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.